It's a community on an international flight path, and now Hounslow is one of England's hotspots for the rapidly spreading COVID variant first found in India.
Have you got a mask?
Mass testing and vaccination programs have been launched in an attempt to get it under control. This Sikh temple is being used as a pop-up clinic where anyone can show up for a vaccine.
We've been very busy. Early in the morning at 8 o'clock, we had over 250 people at that time, and the queues were backing out to here.
And that's what the government wants. It's a race against time with this variant that is now the dominant strain.
The latest estimates are that more than half, and potentially as many as 3/4 of all new cases are now of this variant.
If it can't be controlled, there are concerns it could jeopardize the next step in England's reopening. This local councillor says the government is to blame because it didn't shut down travel from India fast enough.
They've got a history of delaying making decisions. They'd already put Pakistan and Bangladesh on the red list. They should have done the same for India at the time.
A recent study has found vaccines are effective against the variant after 2 doses. But at this point, only 45% of adults have had both.
The vaccine means that it's not going to get as bad as it was, but it could still be, getting towards that. If this had arrived, let's say 4 or 5 months down the line, we would have been in a much more relaxed position.
The spread of this variant here is also creating concerns in parts of Europe. Germany and France have introduced new quarantine rules for travelers from the UK. Austria has gone even further with a ban on flights. Renee Filipponi, CBC News, Hounslow, England.